In this video, let's learn how to create a printing file and mock-up images for custom 5 layered sun visor clip. First, visit Printway website. In the catalog section, type the product name to find the product you want to fulfill. Scroll down and in the File Guidelines section, click on the link Download Template or here to start downloading the printing file and mock-up file. Open the printing template file in Photoshop or Photopea. You'll see the template file shown on the screen with all the detailed guideline and notes for the product. With custom 5 layered sun visor clip file, each small square box corresponds to each layer of the product. The first row is the cutting file. You can create any shape you want, and it should be in the black shade. The second row is for the printing file. In this section, you can design each layer with any artwork you prefer. The last row is for the photos. You can insert customer photos in this section. For the best results, always follow the note written on the file. For example, important design should be in the blue line, or the file format should be PNG with 300 dpi. You can check the printing and cutting files by layering them on top of each other to make sure they match or not. After completing the printing file, you can move to create mock-up images. For example, this is your printing file. Here is how you can create mock-up images with this printing file. Open the mock-up file. Click on the image you want to create a mock-up. You'll see the list of layers show up. Choose any layer you wish to. Right-click and select Relink to File. Choose the printing file that you've just finished. Click Place and wait for the template to load, then you'll have your design appear in the mock-up. Now export the image, and that's how you can create a printing file and mock-up image with Printway template. We hope this helps. Now, let's try to make your product. Goodbye and see you in our next video.